Hey guys, I just wanted to say to you all, I just want to say a big thank you for all your support the last years, and I'm after this project is done, so if you see the very last tutorial of this project, then I will be gone for several weeks. I don't know how long, depends on my recovery of an operation. And I just wanted to say thank you so much for all the years that you are supporting me. Without you, I am nowhere. And I noticed this morning that I reached the 42,000 I call that followers on my YouTube channel. And oh my gosh, that is so much. I never thought about that. I think 8 years ago that I started this channel, that I would reach that much people. Oh my god. So I am so thankful to you guys. So I think it's a nice time, a best time maybe now, to add a giveaway video. So what do you think? Do you like to win something? And I have 3. I am gonna give you 3 chances to win something. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but it definitely has something to do with all my paper collection or with my kids. So it definitely will be a surprise. So please like this video, give me a big thumbs up, write in the comments what do you like about my channel. Do you like my papers? Do you like my kids? Do you like my babbling? Do you like my chaotic crafting skills? I have no idea. Just tell me. I would also love to know where you all coming from. It's really worldwide, but I just like to know. And I have something to do after my surgery. Please, I love to read it. So just send me a comment and I will pick up a winner very soon. I'm not going to tell you when or why, when and everything, but I will make sure that your packages will be packed and will be shipped, and I will let you know. So follow my Facebook, Scrap Queen. I have a Facebook page called Scrap Queen. Just follow that one because my personal one is always full. So follow that and you will get a notification when I am pronouncing the 3 winners. So good luck everybody. Give me a big thumbs up and wish me luck. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye bye.